Papa's got to go to work. I'll see you in a bit, homie.
MKPHD 2.0.
Look at him.
No, it's funny though. He's like a
nice try. Actually, this is the exact spot where I got my first ticket, so I shouldn't be talking.
Money. I was like, do you want to make money?
Yes.
Just one, right?
Thank you. I know you have a loud exhaust, BMW, but...
some of the newer clients.
Good morning.
Are you having the half dozen?
Yes.
Someone bun?
Up. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, somebody paid for you.
Who did?
Yeah, the card before you.
No way. Really?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, what? I ordered too much. I feel bad. Oh, so kind. Okay, well, I don't owe you anything. Thank you guys. Sukriya. What? There's still some good people in this world. Is that him? I don't feel bad. Yo, what's up, man?
That is sweet, bro.
Oh, thanks.
That's clean, man.
Appreciate it.
Check this out.
Oh, right on. Sweet, man. Have a good day. You too. Yo, man. I ordered too much.
It's all good, man.
Seriously, yo. I couldn't leave without saying thank you, so... Appreciate it, man. Good karma. I was actually so close to buying coffee for everyone else, man. Fuck. That guy came in fast and then he started flashing, but then all it was just to give me a thumbs up. What the heck? People in this world are crazy. Oh, I think I just up my front splitter there. Nothing. Hey, yo. Welcome back. It's been a minute since we've been at this garage, but today we're gonna be working on the XB. Goal really is to have the foundation or the floor base built, something we can build the rest of the furniture on top of. So I do have a basic blueprint, but remember, this entire process is gonna be new to me. So if it can help any of you guys out who are planning on doing something similar in the future, great. Here's that. Ah. Yo, what up, Angus?
Yo, I'm sitting on the parchment now.
Oh, this is for your engine?
Yeah.
Oh, are you guys gonna tackle it?
Yeah.
Sheesh. So yeah, basically, for those of you who don't know, this is the engine that's supposed to go in the Lancer that's been sitting outside. I dropped my Cinnabon top down on the floor of my car, and I gotta scrape off whatever gross, I don't even know whose hair that is. Well, friends, it's time to lay some wood. So first things first, we have to create ourselves a level foundation, and this starts with a frame. But this part, I'm probably just gonna wing it. They don't call me Birdy for nothing. Shumai, you shed too much. For this part, you wanna make sure you choose the straightest pieces of wood. As you can see, some areas are more dipped than others. But if I can get it level, I'll probably just like... see how these fit. At this stage, you want to make sure that the wood is level before you drill any of the wood into the body of the car. Now, I kind of fast forwarded this part, but it took a little bit of effort to make all of the main base pillars to be level with one another. Here we are. And as you can see, I am gonna leave this there like that as a little bit of a support because we're gonna keep this wheel well as extra storage. I want it so that you can actually remove the middle floorboard to get into this space. But it still has to be supported so that whoever's sitting in this seating area doesn't fall through the baseboards. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut a wood piece for the center right there, and then that'll give us even more support, especially on this side is where we're gonna need it the most. So we'll do that, catch you guys in a few minutes. Perfect. Alright guys, I think that's it for day one of converting our XB into a mini studio camper. Check, and this is a test. Because this is exactly where we're gonna be stepping the most, in this center area. It's a bridge. It works. And like I said, we're gonna make the most of the space that we're given in here, so we're still gonna be using the wheel well down here. That's why I kind of made it open, but I also wanna make it so that I have access to it and I can open this area whenever I need to. Still gotta figure out where the electric components go, all the wiring, but we've made it easy for ourselves so we can just feed it nicely throughout this frame. And everything's level, pretty supported, so you can even step on this side and nothing's gonna break. Also, I'm kind of picturing it now. The sink is gonna go there. Underneath the sink, there's gonna be a big water jug. And then closer to the back, that's where the cabinet's gonna go with all the shelving units. We need a converter. I also plan on getting several batteries for this thing so I can have electronics running independently from each other. And a mini fridge. We'll figure that out. Or the popular saying, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Keep myself disciplined. I still wanna give myself a little bit of time for the art, but I also still have to edit this video because we're trying for the dailies, not just for December, but November as well. So we'll see you guys at the home studio base. What's up, Go Bam? Dude, yo, we ended up getting some dish because we're lazy. All right, guys, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog.
How much these guys are benching, man?
What, really? What do you mean?
And you've done 7 as well. Not really. There you go. Oh yeah.
Damn. I promised myself that I'd work on some art, but what I meant by that was I have an NFT project that I've been working on behind the scenes for the past 2 months. I don't want to say too much about it just because someone out there might steal the idea, but I am in the process of creating the entire collection. So creating the base character, all the backgrounds, and all of the accessories that go with this, whatever it is. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. And also edit this vlog because dailies. So yeah, we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace. Go there. Say bye-bye. Ooh, there's a Rocket Bunny V2 out here. This is a really clean build. Wait, unless this is Levi's old car. It's the same exact color too.